Welcome to ONEPOINT Projects Tutorials. In this video, we will talk about stakeholder management in ONEPOINT. Stakeholder management is an important part of project management. It significantly contributes to project success and should not be disregarded. First of all, you should identify your project stakeholders and divide them into different groups. This is also suggested by project management standards like IPMA or PMI. Next, define appropriate measures to keep your stakeholder groups satisfied throughout the project process. Let's see how this looks in ONEPOINT. Click on your project on the left. Under Planning, you will find the tab Stakeholders. On this tab, you can create a list of your project stakeholders, including required measures. Categorize your stakeholders by specifying power, interest, and attitude. In addition, you can assign a responsible team member and project activities to stakeholder measures. You can even determine a due date and set a status. Let's add a new stakeholder to our project, New Office SF. Click on Add Stakeholder and type in a name. Then specify power, interest, and attitude. You can move your stakeholders up or down by using the arrows below. Let's add respective measures by clicking on Add Measure. Assign a responsible team member and related activities. Set a due date and a status. Click on the minus symbol to delete stakeholders or measures quickly. ONEPOINT Projects offers a very nice controlling view of project stakeholders. As you can see, all your stakeholders are automatically visualized in a three-dimensional bubble chart. Stakeholders in the upper right quadrant have high power and are highly interested in your project. They should be managed closely, especially those with a negative attitude. Stakeholders in the upper left quadrant also have high power, but they are not very interested in your project. It is sufficient to keep them satisfied. You should keep your stakeholders in the lower right quadrant informed. They may have low power, but they are highly interested in your project. Stakeholders in the lower left quadrant have low power and low interest. It is sufficient that you just monitor them. Ensure a positive and sustainable relationship with your stakeholders in an efficient and convenient way. Start now with ONEPOINT PPM solution. You can get a free trial at www.onepoint-projects.com.